A school in Central Arkansas faces what could be an outbreak of COVID-19. 2 students and 2 staff members at First Step in Malvern have tested positive for the virus. First Step is a school for children with disabilities. Our Claire Kreitz tells us they are now working to stop the spread of COVID-19 on their Malvern campus.
Just so unfair that we didn't know.
Concerns are spilling over after 2 students and 2 staff members at First Step in Malvern test positive for COVID-19.
A mess.
An employee who asked us to hide her identity says she is in quarantine right now after coming in contact with one of those students.
I'm afraid that if I have this virus, it could make me very ill.
She says staff were kept in the dark for weeks, not finding out about any case until a post made its way around social media.
It was kept hush-hush within the installation that these kids had this virus, and it's not fair to us.
Parents also say they should have known the moment a student tested positive.
They only told the parents of the children of that classroom. They didn't tell the whole school.
This concerned mother of 2, who also did not want to be identified, took her kids out of the school a week ago.
I was just tired of it. I just completely pulled them out.
We reached out to First Step Arkansas CEO Brett Chancellor, who says they only notify those who have been in direct contact with confirmed cases.
We have a pretty complex database where it tracks all of our clients, all of their services, down to the minute, and so we know where they are, when they're there, who they're with.
He understands the concerns, but if your phone didn't ring,
that's a good thing.
For the employees and parents, they're calling for a complete shutdown.
They need to have that school sanitized. They need to have the buses sanitized. They need to have all the employees that work there tested.
Chancellor says closing their doors altogether is a temporary solution that would only harm students in the long run.
And when you start, taking out weeks or months of treatment for a young developing child, I mean, that takes away from them developmentally for years to come.
And Chancellor says they have already had 1 student recover, and the other positive cases are all asymptomatic. He invites any parent or employee with concerns to give him a call.